Good morning, Emily. We're going to talk about some multiplication of two-digit numbers. I'm going to teach you a way that I learned how to do it when I was your age. So first, we're going to read this problem about a Christmas party together. Someone is hosting a very fancy Christmas party. 26 friends were invited to a Christmas party. The host of the party is planning to serve a fancy dinner. Each plate served will cost $17. How much will the host spend on the food for all 26 guests? So, of course, we would need to multiply 26 for the friends times 17 for the dollar amount per each plate served. So, I'm going to show you how I might set up this problem. Of course, there are other ways to do it using the area model or partial products, but this is the way I was taught. Okay, and if you understand this way and it works for you, that's great. So I'm going to multiply 26 times 17, and I'm setting up my problem just like that. Okay, now the first step would be to look at our ones side if we want to do it this way. So I'm not even going to look at these two numbers, and I'm going to think about what is 7 times 6. Okay, well, I know that 7 times 6 is 42 because I've learned my sevens times table. So 7 times 6 is 42. So if 7 times 6 is 42, I'm not going to write all of 42 down here. I'm just going to take that 2 because it's in the ones place, and I'm going to put the 2 here. And I'm going to carry this 4 up here, make it kind of small, and I'm going to circle it. And that reminds me to add it later. Okay, now I've multiplied straight up. Now I'm going to multiply crisscross. Not even looking at that 1. Okay, I'm taking care of this 7 first. 7 times 2 is 14, but I have to add 4 more. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and I'm going to write that 18 down. Okay, I'm finished with this 7 because I have multiplied 7 times 6 and I got 42, and then I multiplied 7 times 2 and got 14 and added the 4 to it. So now I've already multiplied 26 times 7. So now I'm finished with that 7. Okay, and in my mind, I'm going to just forget about it for now. And I'm going to put a 0 right here as a placeholder because I'm going over to full with this 1 to take care of this 1 times 26. Okay, so I'm not even going to look at that 7 right now. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 2 is 2. Again, we don't worry about that 4 because we added that earlier. Now, so what this tells me is that 26 times 7 is 182. Okay? We put the placeholder in for the 0, and 26 times 1 is 26. Now, I need to add these. 2 plus 0 is 2. 8 plus 6 is 14, so we know we put our 4 down, carry our 1. 1 plus 2 is 2, and 2 plus 2 is 4. So we have figured out that the host of the party will spend $442 for food for that Christmas party.